Frankfurt and at the largest automotive aftermarket show on the planet, Automechanika 2024. And today's video is for our wonderful viewers, those who can't make it here. We're going to take you on a tour of Automechanika and show you some of the latest innovations and the trends that are setting the future of mobility. So join me for a visual experience. That concludes our tour of all the vibrant halls here at Automechanika Frankfurt 2024. From some of the latest technologies and sustainable solutions, this event truly sets up a platform for the future of the automotive industry. I'm Nitin Kumar from the Motor India magazine, and stay tuned for more detailed interviews and coverage from this vibrant event. Thanks for tuning in.